Welcome back everyone to the channel, and today, even though we spoke about this on the bench, I'm going to put in a couple of mags through the VFC MP5K. This is the Gen 2. You'll see this is a little bit different from your bog standard MP5K. It doesn't have the side folder or the grip. Now I still have those components, but we've popped on there a Midwest Industries M-Lock handguard, and we've also got the Bowmaster slide in stock as well. The Midwest Industries handguard isn't a real one. Can't remember where I got that from. It was either WGC or JK Army. It just slims down the MP5K. If you were using it in its sort of slim down format, it kind of resembles the size of just like a normal MP5K and not the PDW. The side folder was good. It was kind of solid, but it does double the sort of thickness of the MP5K, so that's why I went with this Bowmaster one. It's not as nice on the fitment, but again, if I get sick of it, I can swap that out. So we've got some mags for today, semi-auto and full auto. The magazines do have about, I think, 30 rounds, so we'll be getting to that. People moaned at me in the last video about me wearing a chest rig, but I don't really fancy putting 4 or 5 mags, which I've got today, in my pockets, so I'll be putting that back on just so I can reload the gun, as you see on camera, and we haven't got to cut and I haven't got to go off camera while I do so. So hope you enjoy the content, and we're back in just a moment. Oh God, he's shooting airsoft guns and he's putting a rig on. Oh, unsubscribe, don't watch it, skip. I really couldn't give a fuck, to be honest. Put my glasses on. So here we have it, the MP5K. Now, this is the original magazine that came with it. I hope you're liking the better lighting today. It's going to look a little bit better quality than last time. So hopefully you can see that. The magazine is a little bit tarnished. Now, this happened on the first magazine that I put through it. Since then, I've just tried to sort of soften a couple of the harsh edges on the nozzle. Hopefully that helps. The other 4 magazines are brand new. I literally just took them out of the box. So we're going to get to this. So, main lines with an MP5. We lock the bolt back. We slap the mag in. And then we can give it the old judo chop or HK slap or whatever you want to call it. So, let's go around. We're going to fire it without the stock extended first. So, we've got semi-auto. A weird double feed there. I think that's probably because the hop's not set, so they're like rolling down the barrel. This is why I wear glasses, because every now and again one likes to jump out, and then it just stops like that, so the nozzle actually just hits the feeder of the magazine, like the little follower you have. So a lot of people don't like that, but it's the way the system works. So what you're going to do, and look, I haven't got to go off camera. So we're empty, slap another mag in, give it the old HK slap. You can do it with these VFC Gen 2s, and we're going to carry on firing. Hopefully this is in shot. You see the BBs bouncing all over the place. Nice, and to be honest, it shoots really, really well. That magazine gas router seems to have survived, so there's no damage on that. Hopefully you can see that. Let's keep going, shall we? This thing rocks. Now we are in a warm room, so this is probably going to perform a little bit better than if we're out in the wild, but we'll try and do a mag dump here for the slow-mo. So let's see if we can dump a whole mag. And we can. That mag isn't empty, but we did stop firing for some reason. Still not empty, still got BBs in the mag. Let's go back to semi-auto. Now we're empty. No, we're not empty. It keeps stopping, but we've got BBs in the mag. Right, we're going to pop that mag to one side. Doesn't seem to like that one. See if it does it on this next one. I have some BBs to clean up off the floor on this one. And we're doing the same again. Everything seems to be okay. Let's go back to semi-auto. Mags are new, so it could be that, but and we are chopping BBs up. We've now got BBs loose in the fire control, I think. Let's clear that and see if we've done any damage. So it's a brand new gun, the brand new mags. It's like we're subject to that VFC quality again. Right, so we've got BBs in the fire control group. Chopped up BBs, that is. Quite a lot of chopped up BBs. That seems to be okay. The bolt seems to be alright, doesn't look like there's any damage on it. I don't know. Suppose we just have to carry on. We're not damaging the gas routers anymore, so that's good. Done it again. I think it might be a problem. I think I've seen Explosive Enterprises talking about this. I think it might be a problem with the feed lips. It seems like it's always catching on that one side. So what I'm going to do, that's the original mag I had, which doesn't seem as bad. It doesn't seem quite as intrusive, or I might just be imagining that. But we're going to take the original mag that came with the gun. And I fill this up with some more BBs. And see if that solves it. So if this original mag works, we know we've got to mod the mags. Now, you shouldn't have to do this. You should be able to pull this gun out of the box and just use it. You shouldn't have to file your mags down. Let's give it a go. And there she goes. So the valve has frozen. That might be because it dumped the gas. But VFCs are so good. Just every time you get a problem, you get BBs in your fire control group. Oh, yeah, that's not good. Right, hopefully you can see this. But we've got a BB. We've got two BBs stacked on top of each other. Now, I kind of see this as a good thing because the last thing I wanted to do was trade this to Flo and she have these problems. So this is the most I've ever shot this gun. And people say why I have a beef with VFCs and why I don't buy certain VFCs. This only ever solidifies it in my view. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to have a look further. Perhaps we'll take it apart on the bench. Maybe we'll even start calling this the Jaeger test, because firing 5 mags in succession, I mean, I've never had that problem with an MWS or any kind of other branded gun. So we'll leave it there. The MP5K did not pass the Jaeger test. So thanks very much for tuning in. To all those people moaning about me wearing a plate carrier, go watch someone else. I really don't care. we do things different on this channel. People, I think you get new people come to the channel and they don't like the way you do stuff. But we've been doing stuff the same way for the past, what, couple of years. So thanks for those that have stuck around. Hopefully that, if you're thinking about buying one of these, it's been fine up till now. I mean, I've only used the one mag. So I've broke out 4 new magazines and it's killed the gun. So the MP5K has killed itself. Thanks for watching. And as always, from me and Box, we'll see you in the next video.